Hi everyone, I am Supriya Pal from PDS IT Service Tripura. Here I am sharing a short feedback of ODM BIOS. That is, the ODM term is invented by Sheikh Bashir, and what is this? You have to wait for that, but it's a magic. Really, it's a magic. For last few days, I am facing a problem regarding BIOS related. That means this board is stuck in my service center for long term due to the actual BIOS. Yesterday I have tried 2-3 BIOS randomly and one of them worked for me properly, but after loading OS it automatically restarts the system, and next time when the system is turned on it will go to recovery mode or BIOS flashing mode. After BIOS flashing, it's automatically shut down this system. Come to my desktop screen and let's check. Here it is. This is the board. Board number is LAF115P. This one. Okay, this is my board number. So you can say it part number. And what actually going on? If I go there, actually this is a case of September 27. This board comes in front of my table in front of me on September 27, and then I have realized that the problem is regarding BIOS, and I have asked for BIOS to Mr. Bashir sir, and he provided me a BIOS, but somehow this BIOS not work properly, and these boards stay in my stock as a part. When I will get time, I will repair it. I said this to my customer, and yesterday I have tried 2-3 BIOS from Telegram and other sources randomly, and then one of these worked fine for me. I have shared it here. This one, if you will check it, one of them is worked for me randomly. This one is this one. I find this BIOS in Telegram in some group maybe, but after that what happened? When I flash this BIOS, it's worked for one single time, and then when restart my PC, this option is shown, that is updating your firmware, do not power down your system. And I have waited for the full completion of this process. Then process is over, successfully shows the EC BIOS is programmed successfully. After that, when system restart, it only restart on Dell logo. It's not come forward. That means if I program this BIOS first time, it will come my OS and other things, but after this error updating your firmware, then it's not go ahead. So I have tried with Bashir sir again, and he asked me for the full details of board. I have provided this full details. Here it is, my full details of this board. After providing this full details, he provided me a SKB ODM FF-Trix BIOS, and this BIOS work like a magic, just like a magic. After flashing, no updating, no other things. My system is run for long time, and After that, I have already delivered this to my customer. Customer is also happy. This is happen only for the XKB ODM BIOS. Thank you.